Hey everyone, welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. Today we're diving into the fundamental aspect of arrays, an array's index. Let's get started. So arrays in JavaScript are fantastic for storing multiple values in a single variable. But how do we access specific values within these arrays? It's simple. We use indexes. So each element in an array has an index, starting from 0 for the first element and 1 for the second, and so forth. Let me show you. So here we have an array of fruits. Inside we have an apple, a banana, an orange, and a grape. So as we can see, apple has an index of 0, banana has an index of 1, orange has an index of 2, and grape has an index of 3. So how do we access apple? We're gonna console log fruits, the name of your array, and we're going to use square brackets and type the index 0. If we type the index 0, we're gonna get the name of the first element in the array. Same thing goes for how to get a banana, for example. We use the index 1 to get the banana. How to get the orange? We console log fruits, and in the square bracket we type 2, and then we get an orange. JavaScript arrays use a zero-based index system. This means the first element is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. So that's a wrap for today's lesson on reading array indexes in JavaScript. Remember, understanding array indexes is fundamental to working with arrays. So guys, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tips and tutorials. Happy coding!